here with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing, and it's a wonderful unboxing of New Day's Craft. I love their stuff. You've seen me use a bunch of the diamond painting. I really enjoy doing it, and I love using them for card making and for decoration. I'm still not finished with my Christmas wreath. It will come one day. I'm thinking of bringing it to my dad during the holidays so that I can finish it there, because I always need to have some sort of project going on, and otherwise I get bored. And so, you know, like, we can chat and I can do that at the same time, because we are going down to Sherbrooke for the holidays, so I'm super happy about that. And I want to take the occasion to wish you all a very Merry Christmas with all your family, and friends, whether it's furry friends, furry family, or human ones. May it be filled with joy, and please stay safe, everyone. Yeah, so that we can see each other during the new year, which is gonna come pretty fast. So let's open up this so you can see the new products that I chose and that they sent me. Very happy that they want to continue collaborating with me, because it really is fun to do this, and I think you're really gonna enjoy these ones, because I chose them based, well, these here I chose based on making some cards during the new year. So this here is a bunch of keychains, but owls. Check these out. There's another one here, and finally this one. And I just think they're going to be perfect for making some cards. So I'll probably make one on camera with you guys, and then I'll do the others off camera, and then do a card making video with the ones that we've created. But aren't these so adorable? I just love them, and they come with all the little required diamond paintings. So there's that, and then there's this one, this little guy, which is also very adorable. And so, you know, right now they've got a current discount of 8%, and they also have, if you purchase for $30, you get a free gift. So fun to know. And here's a little panda. Won't that be cute also on a card? I just think these, like, they make such fun embellishments on cards. Yeah, it just makes the card fun. So there's that, and all the links to the different products will be down in the description box below, so if you're interested in some of them, you can check out that space. And here is the last one. So I loved doing the wreath so much that I thought I would make this hanging thing for my dad. And here's the chain that goes on it, which makes it super easy to install. And then you've got all the diamonds, and look at that. It's like an owl with a baby owl. So I figured it would be perfect for my dad. I already gave him his birthday gift, but I do want to give him a little extra something, so that to celebrate this birthday, which is going to be in March. So this gives me plenty of time to finish this little guy. So this one, though, I won't bring to Sherbrooke, because obviously I don't want him to see it. But yeah, I will probably do some video of some speed up video of doing some of this. As much as the wreath has taught me, it takes a long time to do all of these. So I will probably do a section, and then do it in fast forward, because otherwise it just takes forever, and it's a long process for me too to make. So I prefer to be able to enjoy the process while watching another video or something. Just makes it a lot more fun. So go and check out the links that are in the description box below, and we're going to be making these very soon. This Monday I'm doing Christmas cards again, but I'm thinking that for the following Monday, then maybe we could do the owls. Just because I'll be all Christmased out and New Year will have passed, so I think you know, changing the beat up to something else would be fun. So expect to see them at that time, and if you want to join me, well, you can order these products. They come pretty fast, so that's really fun. So love you guys, stay safe, and enjoy the holidays. Bye.